Welcome back to HustleHub, where we reveal smart, practical, and proven ways to build income streams and work on your own terms. Today's story is about something people call the copy-paste hustle. At first, it sounds ridiculous, almost like a scam. How can anyone make serious money just by copying and pasting? But stay with me, because the truth is both surprising and eye-opening. It starts with a college student named Daniel. He wasn't a tech expert, didn't have a business degree, and had no budget to start a side hustle. What he did have was time and determination. One night, scrolling through freelancing sites, he saw job after job where companies needed help writing product descriptions, emails, and even short ad texts. Here's where the copy and paste comes in. Daniel realized that with free AI tools online, he could generate polished text in seconds. He would tweak it slightly, paste it into the job's requirements, and deliver it. Within his first week, he made $200. Nothing life-changing, but it got his attention. Then came the twist. Instead of stopping at small gigs, Daniel scaled the process. He set up multiple freelancing accounts, created a simple portfolio, and even hired 2 other students to help him copy and paste using AI. Together, they could handle 5 times the workload. Within months, his too-simple-to-be-real hustle was bringing in $500 a day. But here's the deeper lesson. The hustle was never about copying and pasting mindlessly. It was about recognizing opportunity, using the right tools, and scaling smart. Daniel went from broke college student to online entrepreneur, not by inventing something new, but by working smarter with what already existed. So here's the takeaway for you. Don't underestimate small, simple ideas. What looks too basic might actually be the key to your financial breakthrough, if you put in consistency, creativity, and just a little strategy. Now it's your turn. Would you try a copy-paste hustle like this? Let me know in the comments. And if this story sparked an idea for you, hit like, share it with someone who needs inspiration, and subscribe to HustleHub for more stories that prove making money online can be smarter, not harder.